Hello, everyone. Very good afternoon, and welcome to today's super session on agency insights. And let me quickly introduce you to the speaker for today. He is someone who is pioneer in digital marketing industry. He has over 12 years of work experience. He started off his career with software development, then into investment banking, and then he finally started with his own company. In the start, he has helped a lot of startups like Myntra, Quidker, First Cry, and I think all these brands that we know today to grow and to scale up their business. Well, welcome, Mr. Ahmad Aftab Naqvi, co-founder and CEO at Gozu and founder at SparkNext. If you could share some insights on career path in social media marketing.
See, in social media marketing today, in most agencies, including Gozu, which is getting more integrated, a social media talent, when you join as an entry level executive, you can be a part of the community management team, which manages a brand's social media community. For that, you may not have to be the most creative. If you want to be a part of the social media content team, which is creating content, then definitely your creative copywriting skills are very important. Then as you go up the value chain, you can start becoming from a social media executive, you can become a senior social media executive. You could become a senior account manager, which manages the brand. So now, beyond doing social media, you would also work on the media campaign. You would also work and interface with the SEO team. You would also be the custodian for helping the website of the brand. So you're an account manager. So from a social media executive or a junior executive, you became an account manager. The account manager can then become a senior account manager. A senior account manager can become an associate director. An associate director is responsible for managing a bunch of clients. And then you become a group director. A group director has multiple associate directors reporting to him or her. And after a group director in an agency, you can become the head of the city, you can become a vice president, and finally you can become the CEO of the agency. That's how the growth path.
Correct. Absolutely. Would you can you share a few tips on how to prepare for a social media interview?
When you're going for a social media interview, it's very important that you guys highlight your understanding of platforms. Very important. Okay? Because when someone is taking you as a social media expert, there are two critical aspects. I would say three. I'll come to the third one. So the first one is, how deeply do you understand the platforms? If Twitter has started fleets, do you know how to use fleets the best manner? Are you yourself there on these social media platforms? If LinkedIn has started live, how can a brand activate live for its understanding these platform nuances? And most of this is public information. You don't have to be a part of the agency to know all these things. You just have to Google it. All right. What are the best practices for reels? Okay. Twitter, 140 characters. You guys know that basic stuff, right? You should know. And for example, for some accounts, you can even cross 140 characters. What is it required to do that? So understanding the platform nuances is so very important. As a social media expert, we expect you to know these platforms inside out. Second aspect is you should be good at content. You should have a knack of content. And if it's creative content, that's a cherry on the top. So how are you as a creative content writer becomes important. And thirdly, what becomes important is that are you a person which has the work discipline to really have the patience to look at comments which are coming in, to look at the insights which are coming in? Will you be someone who will be able to extract the best out of it, to reply creatively, or to come up with some insight which can come up with which can help drive the next campaign? Those are the 3 technical skill set which I would say are very important for a social media position.